Hey my Nikki Charmers, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki of Balloon by Nikki Charms. So this video is a mini vlog style behind the scenes of an event I just did. It's a love dinner, aka a Galentine's dinner, just for women empowerment, just celebrating us as Black women. Enjoy things like this, continue to watch. Make sure to stay till to the end where you get to see not only the behind the scenes, but me actually attending the event as well. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm prepping for tonight is my foil heart balloons. I have some hot pink ones, and I also blew up some red ones, and we're gonna hang them up in the air, so stay tuned. To blow this up, you just wanna I'm using my manual pump, and you see this bulb right here, I'm sticking the tip into it. You want to stick it all the way in, and just start. I'm tired. You want to get out some of the lines. You're not going to get out all of them since it is a heart balloon and not the regular orbs. It's harder to get them, so just pump till you feel comfortable. Don't over pump it that you pop it though. And I think this is good. It's not gonna get any better. Now, 20 more of these. So since I didn't have enough just red balloons, heart balloons, I'm adding some hot pink into it, and I'm actually gonna add some hot pink into my backdrop, so it'll be okay. And plus, it's Galentines, so why not a little pink in it? Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm now prepping my ceiling balloons. I'll be using pink and hot pink and also red. I'm still waiting for things to come. So I'm working with what I have because there was a storm in Dallas and things were delayed. Some things didn't get shipped till later, so I'm trying to hurry up and rush to get things in order, but I got it under cover. So these I have to do one by one, being that they will be hanging from the ceiling with ribbon. So I'll be tying them one by one. It takes a little longer rather than just tying like dupes like these, but it is what it is. I'm not doing too many, I'm just doing it by the entrance, so that's the good thing. So let's get started. And for these, you do not let out the air because you want it to look like this, oval rather than round for these types of balloons, like a regular helium balloon, but we won't be using helium. Moving on, I'm gonna make some clusters for my backdrop, which I'll be using the same pink, hot pink, red, and I think I have some metallic pink, and I may use a few of these marble red balloons as well. So let's get started on this as well. So I'll still be color blocking for this as well. I'm grabbing my pinks and separating them with my hot pinks and separating them as well. These help to release air from it. Some I'll do in a cluster of 6 like this, and some I'll do in a cluster of 8. balloons. I'm too excited. I'm so excited, it's already weekend. Goes my ceiling balloons, and I'm gonna add some ribbon too. And here are my clusters. Okay, so for the ceiling balloons, I'm going to use these fringes. I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna add it onto the balloons. Not it if you want. You don't have to. It's already tied. The balloon neck is already tied. And that is it. Simple like that. And then we'll take some glue dots and stick it onto the ceiling. Okay, let's start on the filler balloons. And once I'm done, we're gonna pack up and head to the site so I can at least get all the balloons done and out of the way for tonight. And then tomorrow I'll come in and do the tablescape and anything else that needs to be done. And then let's just take it from there. So I'm using some red ones. I have some red heart ones that I got from Valentine. I'm not too sure if I want to use them because I don't really like them too much because they're easy to pop. I don't know, for that shape with Holotex, it's not my favorite. So I'll probably just do the small filler balloons in red. And if I get my Amazon package, my red balloons will be added into it. But if not, it'll just be pink with a little hints of red and some roses. I don't necessarily have a design that I'm going for. I'm just gonna play around with it and see how I like it. But it's gonna be in a black frame, so we'll play around and see how I design it for some fun. Blowing up until I can't blow no more. Okay guys, so we are all prepped and ready to go. I'm about to head to the venue site, so stay tuned. So I just made it on the venue site. Everything probably will be in fast mode from now on, so let's get started. Hey guys, so today is event day and I already started prepping the balloons from last night, but now I hung them up and I'm gonna add more balloons into it and some roses, set the table, make the table scape, and do the rest of the things that I need to do. So everything will be in fast motion now. I'm a little pressed for time. The stuff just came from Amazon, so it kind of delayed everything being that we had the storm, but it's okay. We're gonna work it out and make things happen. So I'm gonna show you the things that actually came from Amazon. So everything I got some dinner plate sets, some silverware, extra tablecloth, some satin napkins, and some red faux pumice grass. Unfortunately, not everything came on time, so I'm just working with what I have, and I'll link it down below in the description box. So the first thing I'm doing is adding more balloons and roses into the installation before I set the tables. Look how gorgeous that came out. Next, we're moving on to folding the napkins, but first thing first is to press them. While the iron is warming up, I decided to move on to something else and set the table. You know, time is money. So for this design, I decided to use individual vases to put one rose in each. One key factor to being an event planner is being able to multitask and working well under pressure, because time management is crucial. Now that all 16 napkins are folded, I am moving on to setting the other table. And before I prep my roses, I'm adding some water into the vases. Now it's time to cut and fluff these roses. Now I did run into some issues with these vases falling over and water kept falling on the table. As I prepped my dinnerware, I noticed that the box of plates only had dinner plates and not salad plates, so I just had to improvise and just use the menus on top of it, but it worked out and it still looked good. And the worst thing that could happen just happened. The chair knocked over all the vases with the water in it and spilled it all over the tablecloth. Like I wasn't pressed for time already. So I had to end up using a blow dryer to dry it. Tell me about it. This is my final task. I'm doing the ceiling balloons that I'm putting up on the ceiling with the string, the gold string. So I'm just attaching it with glue dots. And I'm just hanging them on the top. And the theme for this dinner was Galentine in Italy. Let me know if I executed it. Hey guys, so that is a wrap for another video. I am exhausted. This event was very fun and festive and girly and romantic, all just for Valentine's Day. It was beautiful. I got to meet a lot of beautiful women. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes mini vlog. And if you want to see more vlogs like this, make sure to comment below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, be blessed guys. Also, if you enjoy videos like this of me putting on events, comment down below and let me know what kind of theme you want to see me do next.